Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to take a look at the UV sterilizer with wireless charging. Now this is not from Samsung. This is from CNT, designed for Samsung. So basically what that means is Samsung has actually granted a third-party manufacturer to design products for Samsung. But Samsung does not take any responsibility for the design, manufacturing and the quality of the accessory, and even for the operation or compatibility, safety, regulation standards, nothing. So Samsung is not going to take any guarantee for it. They have given the license to another company. They are making it. So the company is actually CNT and it's made in China. Okay, now one good thing, the reason why I actually bought this is because this actually has a wireless charging which supports 10 watts. So 10 watts is actually fast charging. For older phones it was fast charging. Now fast charging has gone 15 watts, 45. There are lots of them, but this is actually quite good for the price. Now the price on this is 4,000 rupees, but I got it for 999, so that is quite cheap. So in 999 rupees I get a big UV sterilizer which has a wireless charging built into it, so I can charge my phone, sterilize my phone, and it's not only for phone. I can actually sterilize whatever I want. So whatever fits into this box I can put that in and kill 99% of the bacteria. So hopefully this works well. Let's actually open this up, see what it actually does and how it actually works. We'll be doing the real life testing right here, and it has a warranty of 6 months. So let's open this up and see what's in the box. So that's what you get. You get the UV sterilizer, that's a big box. You get a user manual and you get a type C cable. Now let's take a look at the box itself. So this is the button. You press that and then switch on the sterilization. That is the indicator, LED indicator. At the back you have a type C port to actually to use the device. This does not have any battery, so you will have to use a power source. You just get a cable, you don't get a power brick, so you will have to use your phone's charger, or you can actually use a power bank. So I'll use a power bank for this one, but you can actually use your phone's charger. Now the build quality on this is quite good for the price. I actually like the build quality. It's white, you do not get it in any other color, but anyways, since it's going to be used indoors, white is not a big problem. Now okay, nothing much to show outside. It says UV sterilizer. If you notice, it does not, okay, it says Samsung CNT. That's the name of the company that they've kept. Now let's open this up. So that's how it looks like. It's got a gray finish inside. So the plastic is not rubberized. It actually looks a little rubberized, but it's not. It's not going to slip off your hand that easily. Very nice quality. Even the gray inside, actually gray brownish inside, is really good. You have two UV lights, one over here and one over here, and that is your wireless charging pad. So very good for the price. I'm really impressed. Let's try testing it now. Let's test it with a power bank itself. So I have a 27 watts power bank which actually supports all the voltage. Okay, put that in there. Open this up. Now let's put a phone. Let me put my Fold 3. Okay, fast wireless charging. So let's keep that aside. Let's try a watch, actually. Samsung watch. Okay, so Samsung watches are not supported, so Samsung, Apple won't work. Let's put a LG G8X. Oh, that's already 100% charged, but it still shows that it is charging, but battery is full. Okay, I should have put a non-charged phone. Okay, so even this phone is fully charged, but you see how fast it is. It is actually detecting it very well. Now let's see how the UV sterilization works. Let's just keep the phone inside, close this, and switch this button on. You press it, you hear a sound, there's a green light, Okay, I don't know how long I would keep it. Let me look at the manual. Okay, so it basically says the UV sterilization will automatically turn off after 10 minutes. The indicator will go off after 2 beeps. Okay, so it also says that the sterilization will automatically stop if you open the cover. So this is one question that I've actually got from one of my friends, that if I open it, I can never see the bulb actually working, the UV sterilization actually working. I can't see any light because it's closed. As soon as I open it, it'll go off. So how do I know that the lights are working? So just for demonstration purpose, just to show you that it is working, I'm going to there's a small button here which actually this goes in and then pushes it down. That's how it knows that the case is closed. Now I'll press that down and then show you the light. Now you see, that's the light. The UV sterilization is working. If you push this button down, you will actually see that. So the UV sterilization is safe. It does not damage your phone. You won't get all sanitizer liquid and all going into your phone. So it's a good option. I really liked it. And for the price, I think it's a very good option, especially because fast charging pads are actually quite expensive. You will not get anything less than 1000 rupees. This one you get a full box. Within 1000 rupees you get a full box which actually sterilizes your equipment, and it will wirelessly charge your device. So all you have to do is, when you're going to sleep in the night, open this up, put the device in, switch this on. It will sterilize the device, also clean it and charge it at the same time. In the morning, just open it, take your phone and walk off. So very good device. So that's all that I wanted to speak about this device. I will be testing it further as I use it. If I find any problems, I will be putting that in the comments. And if you have any doubts, go ahead, contact me. My information is available in the description and at the end of the video. And if you want to see the same video in a different language like Malayalam or Hindi, I'll be putting the link for my other channels also in the description. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.